Welcome to Be English TV. Today we're broadcasting from Calle 100's branch, strategically located at the north of the city with the best installments for the best experience. Follow us on Be English Colombia. Welcome to Be English TV. My name is Ben de la Portilla, and today I'm going to teach you how to use basic connectors. Come with me. We will practice with and, then, after, meanwhile, but before, and finally. Remember that you can use them to connect routines. For instance, I wake up and brush my teeth. After, I do exercise. Then, have breakfast. Meanwhile, I check my phone. But before, I take a shower. Finally, I dress up and go to work. I hope you understood today's uses of the basic connectors. Remember that you can use them in any routine to connect them. I hope you understood today's classes. See you next time. Bye.